Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Hello, my name is Lufitrisari, NPM 224111072. I am from Management Class 22B. On this occasion, I will discuss the material on the basic concept of work motivation. Work motivation is a desired that arises from with a person or individual because they are inspired, encouraged, and driven to carry out activity or work with sincerity. JNRC suited the result of the activity they carry out, produce good and quality result. Okay guys, next steps are work motivation. It has been previously stated the motivation can arise from within oneself or intrinsic or from external factor. Externally, just that are the listen to types of motivation as tested by Avandi. That motivation is divided in two types and the type or motivation are as follow. Inner motivation. Inner motivation is a strong drive or desire that comes from within a person. Some examples for inner motivation are person perception or themselves, self-esteem, person expectation, needs, desires. External motivation. External motivation is so called because the main goal of an individual is carrying out an activity is the achieve a goal that leads the whole activity itself. Some examples include external motivation are type A natural work, the work group in which a person joins, work environment, situation, salary. Factor influencing work motivation. According to Sutrisno, motivation as a psychological process is a person will influenced by various factors, and this factor can be divided into internal and external factors which will be description and follower. 1. Internal factor. Internal factor that can influence the provision of work motivation to employers include the following. The desire to be able to live, to service a person must work. The desire to be able to live include need to able compensation, permanent work, and safe and comfortable working conditions. So, the desire to be able to have a strong desire to be able to have and can include people to work. The desire to get appreciation. A person want to work because of the desire to be respected by others. The desire to gain recognition, such as appreciation for achievement, harmonious working relationship with leader, the company where the work is appreciated by the community. The desire for power. The desire to have power. To have power will include someone to work. External factor. External factor. Meanwhile, the external factor that can influence work motivation include the following. Working environment condition. Our work facilitators and infrastructure are what employers who are doing work that can affect the implementation of the work. Equal compensation. The most important motivation for companies to encourage employees to work well. Next, good supervision. Providing direction, guiding the work of employers to work well with making mistakes. Job security. Our president, the explicit of job security in the form of career security for the future sort of job promotion, severance pay, age. Status and responsibilities. Expenditure someone who has worked for a long time in the statement facility will be more motivation when exerting with more status and possibility of score accountability be more raised. Flexible regulation. When the regulation carry and firm but remain flexible, then someone will comply with them really executed more are able to ensure that their work run will end. Principle of work motivation. A manager or leader must be able to encourage which means motivation employees to continue to be passionate and enthusiastic in working so that their performance and productivity run well. To encourage work motivation, there are several receiver or principles that can be used in activity or behavior that can motivation personnel. According to Hasibun, some of the principles in work motivation are as follows. The principle of involving, which is inviting subordinates the participants give the opportunity to submit idea, recommendation in the decision-making process. The principle of communication, which is clearly information about the goal to the active how, who to do it, and the opposite phase. The principle of coordination, which is giving approach and fair award and recognition to subordinates for the work achievement. Next, the principle of authority, which is delegating some of the authority and freedom of police to make decisions of the creative and carry out the tasks of choice on manager. The principle of adhesion, reciprocity, namely motivation subordinates by expressing the company desires of experiences in addition to traces to following the needs that subordinates for example for the company. Work motivation indicator. According to Herzberg's theory in Hasibun, three are rector to add a sufficiency or motivation that can be used as an indicator of work motivation, including the following. 1. Achievement. The need for achievement will encourage someone to develop creativity and direct all the abilities and energy to activity optimal work performance. Recoordination. Recoordination means the employees request recoordination from the company that they are achievement and are give award. Recoordination can be obtained through ability and achievement so that there is an equality in individual status. The what in self. To active good work culture, people who have the right abilities are needed. This means the healthy selection program is hit in recruiting employees according to the ability. Next, responsibility. Responsibility is the involvement of individual in effort in every job, such as the ability and self-control in completing the work. Advancement. To improve employees' performance, leaders need to provide training to employees continue to take the initiative to develop their interest in working and rest in a responsible for the work. Development of individual potential or the possibility of growth. Development is an effort to improve the technical, theoretical, conceptual, and moral abilities of learning according of the needs of the job or position, talk on education and training.